Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever felt like managing money is this big, complicated puzzle with missing pieces? Or maybe you've wondered how some people just seem to have it all figured out when it comes to their finances. Well, you're not alone. For many young adults and new investors, the world of money can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that taking control of your finances isn't about being a math genius or having a secret inheritance? It's about building a skill, a superpower really, that can transform your life. Today, we're diving deep into financial literacy, and by the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial security and freedom. This isn't just about numbers, it's about empowering you to live the life you want. It's about making informed choices that serve your goals, dreams, and future. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Financial literacy is simply the knowledge and skills you need to manage your personal finances effectively. Think of it as your personal financial toolkit, equipping you with everything you need to navigate the world of money. It's a crucial life skill, one that truly empowers you. Unfortunately, financial literacy is often overlooked in formal education. Many of us leave school without a clear understanding of how money truly works. This gap can leave us feeling unprepared for the financial realities of adulthood. But here's the good news. It's never too late to learn. Developing financial literacy empowers you to make informed financial decisions. These decisions are the building blocks of a secure and prosperous future. With strong financial literacy, you're not just hoping for the best, you're actively shaping your financial destiny. This leads directly to greater financial security, giving you peace of mind and a solid foundation. It also paves the way for greater financial freedom, allowing you to pursue your passions without constant money worries. The core concept here is truly understanding how money works. It's about demystifying income, expenses, debt, and investments. Once you grasp these fundamentals, you gain incredible control. Throughout this guide, we'll cover some fundamental concepts that are essential for every beginner. These are the pillars upon which your financial success will be built. We'll explore the power of budgeting, a tool that gives you clarity over your cash flow. We'll also dive into the importance of saving, not just for emergencies, but for achieving your biggest dreams. Investing will be another key area, showing you how to make your money work harder for you. And finally, we'll tackle debt management, understanding how to handle it wisely and avoid common pitfalls. Our goal for you, as beginners, is to help you build a solid financial foundation. This isn't about becoming a financial expert overnight. That takes time and experience. Instead, it's about laying down strong roots. We want to equip you with the essential knowledge and practical steps to start your journey confidently. Think of this as your first step on a very rewarding path. Every small step you take now will pay huge dividends in the future. Now let's dive into the practical pillars that support a strong financial life. These are the actionable areas where you can start making a real difference today. Mastering these will set you up for long-term success. Budgeting is truly the cornerstone of financial control. It's the process of creating a plan for how you'll spend and save your money. Without a budget, your money can feel like it's just disappearing. It involves tracking your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of where every dollar goes. This isn't about restriction, it's about awareness and intentionality. The primary purpose of budgeting is to understand your money flow. You'll see exactly how much comes in and how much goes out each month. This clarity is incredibly empowering. Another key purpose is to identify areas where you can cut spending. You might discover subscriptions you don't use or categories where you're overspending without realizing it. This allows you to reallocate those funds more effectively. Most importantly, budgeting helps you allocate funds towards your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment, a vacation, or an investment, your budget becomes the roadmap. There are many methods for budgeting, so you can choose what works best for you. Some people prefer simple pen and paper tracking, which can be surprisingly effective. Others find success with spreadsheets, offering more flexibility and analysis. Many modern budgeting apps also make the process incredibly easy and automated. Find a method that you'll stick with consistently. Remember, a budget is a living document. It should be reviewed and adjusted regularly. Life changes, and your budget should adapt with it. Don't view it as a rigid cage, but as a flexible guide. Saving is absolutely essential for building a financial safety net. This safety net protects you from unexpected expenses, like medical emergencies or job loss. It provides peace of mind during uncertain times. Saving is also crucial for achieving your long-term goals. Whether it's buying a car, going back to school, or starting a business, savings make these dreams a reality. It's about delayed gratification for future rewards. A key principle is to aim to save a portion of your income regularly. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial routine, just like paying bills. Even small amounts add up significantly over time. Consider setting up separate savings accounts for different goals. For instance, have one account specifically for emergencies, another for a down payment, and perhaps one for a fun vacation. This helps you visualize your progress and stay motivated. Automate your savings whenever possible. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings accounts each payday. This set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures you're consistently building your wealth without even thinking about it. Start small if you need to, but start today. The power of compounding interest means that the sooner you begin saving, the more your money can grow. Every dollar saved is a step towards your financial freedom. Understanding and managing debt is crucial for your financial health. Not all debt is bad, but knowing the difference is key. It's important to know the different types of debt you might encounter. Common examples include credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, and car loans. Each type has different terms and implications. You must understand interest rates and their financial impact. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control, making it very difficult to pay off. Always be aware of the annual percentage rate, or APR, on your loans. Prioritize paying down high-interest debt first. This strategy, often called the debt avalanche method, saves you the most money on interest over time. Focus intensely on eliminating these costly debts as quickly as possible. Once high-interest debt is under control, you can then focus on other debts. Consider strategies like debt consolidation or refinancing if they make sense for your situation. Always read the fine print and understand the terms before committing. The goal is to minimize the amount of interest you pay and free up your cash flow. Managing debt responsibly builds your credit score, which is vital for future financial opportunities. A good credit score can help you secure better rates on loans and even rent an apartment. Be proactive, not reactive, with your debt. Investing allows your money to grow over time, potentially much faster than just saving. It's about putting your money to work for you, rather than just letting it sit idle. This is where true wealth building begins. It's important to learn about different investment options available to you. Common choices include stocks, which represent ownership in a company, and bonds, which are essentially loans to a company or government. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer diversification by pooling money from many investors to buy a variety of stocks and bonds. Real estate and even starting your own business can also be forms of investment. Each option carries different levels of risk and potential return. Start by understanding your own risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't feel pressured to jump into complex investments right away. Begin with low-cost, diversified options like index funds or ETFs. These are often recommended for beginners because they offer broad market exposure with minimal effort. The key to successful investing is consistency and a long-term perspective. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest regularly over many years. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, helps smooth out market fluctuations. Educate yourself continuously, but don't get caught up in every market fluctuation. Focus on your long-term plan and stay disciplined. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and patience is your greatest asset. You've just taken a huge step towards taking control of your money. We've covered the definition of financial literacy, its core purpose, and the fundamental concepts that will guide you. We've also explored the key pillars: budgeting, saving, debt management, and investing. Remember, building a solid financial foundation isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every small, informed decision you make adds up. Don't be afraid to start small, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. The most important thing is to begin. Start tracking your expenses, set up an emergency fund, and learn more about investing. Your financial journey is unique, and it's yours to shape. You have the power to create a future where you feel secure, confident, and free. Embrace this knowledge, apply these principles, and watch your financial life transform. Your money, your future, your control. Thank you for joining me on this essential guide. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building that incredible financial future you deserve. You've got this.